Ever wondered why your mom insisted on you finishing your greens? Well, there's a rhyme and reason to it all. You see, vegetables are not just about adding color to your plate, they are powerhouses of essential nutrients our bodies need to function at their very best. From the humble carrot to the mighty spinach, each vegetable brings to the table a unique blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a vital part of our diet. As renowned nutritionist David Katz puts it, vegetables are nutrient-dense, meaning they pack maximum nutrition value with minimal calories. Now that's a deal we can all get behind, right? So it's time we put vegetables in the spotlight and give them the credit they so richly deserve. So let's dive into the world of vegetables and uncover the top 3 you should be eating, according to nutritionists. First up on our list is the mighty spinach, Popeye's favorite. Now, if you're wondering why our sailor friend Popeye was so infatuated with this leafy green, well, it's because spinach is a nutritional powerhouse. It's like the superhero of the vegetable world, ready to swoop in and save your day with its impressive array of nutrients. Renowned nutritionist Juliana Heaver once said, "Spinach is an excellent source of vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, and folate." But that's not all. This green titan also comes packed with manganese, magnesium, iron, and vitamin B2. Now let's unpack that a bit. Vitamin K is essential for bone health, helping to increase bone density and reduce the risk of fractures. Vitamin A is vital for maintaining healthy vision, immune function, and even reproductive health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your cells against harmful free radicals. And folate, well, that's key for DNA synthesis and repair as well as red blood cell formation. But wait, there's more. The manganese in spinach is a cofactor for many enzymes that are vital for energy production and antioxidant defenses. The magnesium aids in nerve and muscle function. Iron is crucial for the proper function of hemoglobin, a protein needed to transport oxygen in the blood. And let's not forget about vitamin B2, which plays a vital role in energy production and cell function. So you see, spinach is not just a leafy green. It's a nutritional powerhouse that offers a host of health benefits. It's a top recommendation for anyone looking to boost their health and well-being. But the best part? Spinach is versatile. You can toss it in your salad, blend it in your smoothie, or lightly sauté it for a healthy side dish. There are endless ways to incorporate this mighty vegetable into your diet. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab a bunch of spinach. You'll be doing your body a world of good. Next on our list is the versatile broccoli, a real nutritional powerhouse. Let's delve into the world of this green wonder, the broccoli. It's not just a vegetable. It's a symphony of nutrients playing in perfect harmony to provide your body with the essentials it needs. From the tiny buds to the thick stalk, every part of the broccoli is packed with health benefits. When we think of broccoli, we may recall our childhood days when we were encouraged to eat our greens. But why? What makes broccoli so special? Well, it's time to unravel the mystery. Renowned nutritionist Joy Bauer once said, "Broccoli is high in many nutrients, including fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, and potassium. It also boasts more protein than most other vegetables." And she couldn't be more accurate. Broccoli is like a mini multivitamin in itself. The high fiber content aids in digestion, keeping your gut healthy and happy. The abundance of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, helps to boost your immune system and protect your body from harmful free radicals. On the other hand, vitamin K is essential for bone health and wound healing, while iron helps in the formation of red blood cells. And let's not forget about potassium, a crucial nutrient for maintaining heart health and blood pressure levels. But wait, there's more. Broccoli stands out from the crowd because it has more protein than most vegetables. This makes it a great choice for vegetarians and vegans who are looking for plant-based protein sources. So whether you like it steamed, roasted, or even raw, broccoli is a versatile vegetable that can easily be incorporated into your meals. It's a delicious way to provide your body with the nutrients it needs. In a world where fast food and processed snacks are just a click away, it's essential to make conscious choices about what we put into our bodies. And when it comes to packing a nutritional punch, broccoli is a clear winner. So remember to add some broccoli to your shopping basket. Last, but definitely not least, is the humble carrot. This root vegetable, often overlooked in the produce aisle, is more than just a crunchy snack or a soup ingredient. It's a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with vitamins and minerals that the body needs to function at its best. The carrot's vibrant orange color is a telltale sign of its high beta-carotene content. This compound is a type of carotenoid that the body can convert into vitamin A, a nutrient that's essential for good vision, a strong immune system, and healthy skin. But the benefits of carrots, don't stop there. As nutritionist Lisa Dreyer points out, carrots are a great source of important vitamins and minerals. A half cup can give you up to 3 times the recommended daily intake of vitamin A. That's quite a punch for such a simple vegetable. And that's not all. Carrots also provide a good dose of vitamin K, which plays a key role in blood clotting and bone health. Plus, they're a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that can help protect your cells from damage. Not to mention, carrots are incredibly versatile. They can be enjoyed raw, cooked, juiced, or even baked into a dessert. And their sweet, slightly earthy flavor pairs well with a wide variety of foods, making them a great addition to any meal. But perhaps one of the most impressive things about carrots is their ability to provide these benefits while being low in calories and fat. This makes them an excellent choice for those who are watching their weight or trying to eat healthier. So, whether you're whipping up a stir-fry, preparing a salad, or just looking for a satisfying snack, remember to include carrots. They're not just for rabbits after all. In conclusion, the humble carrot proves that great things often come in small packages. Its impressive nutritional profile and versatility make it a must-have in every kitchen. So take a cue from nutritionists and make carrots a staple in your diet. Don't overlook the humble carrot on your next grocery run. So there you have it. Spinach, broccoli, and carrots, 3 vegetables you don't want to miss out on. These 3 power-packed veggies, each with their unique array of nutrients, should be a part of your daily diet. They pack a punch when it comes to boosting your health and well-being. Let's take a moment to recap why our nutritionist friends recommend them so highly. We started with the mighty spinach, a green leafy powerhouse loaded with iron, calcium, and a wealth of vitamins. Not only does it help in building muscles, but it also aids in maintaining healthy skin and hair. Spinach is indeed a superfood that should be a part of your plate, be it in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. Next, we discussed the versatile broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable that's a true champion in the nutrition world. Its high fiber content aids digestion, while its rich antioxidant properties help to ward off diseases. Plus, it's a great source of vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. Remember, you can steam it, stir-fry it, or even enjoy it raw in salads. Then, we looked at the humble carrot, a root vegetable that's not just for rabbits. Its high beta-carotene content is converted into vitamin A in your body, which is essential for good vision. Carrots also have plenty of fiber, helping to keep your digestive system in top shape. And let's not forget, they're deliciously sweet, and can be enjoyed in a myriad of ways, from soups to salads, from roasts to juices. So, that's our roundup of the top 3 must-eat vegetables recommended by nutritionists. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is diversity. While these 3 vegetables are incredibly beneficial, there are many more out there, each with their unique nutritional profiles. So, don't limit yourself. Explore, experiment, and enjoy a wide range of veggies to reap the maximum health benefits. And here's where we come in. We are committed to helping you on your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the latest insights, tips, and advice on nutrition and health. We'll guide you on what to eat, how to eat, and why to eat it, all backed by scientific research and expert opinion. So if you found this information helpful and want to stay informed about your health and nutrition, do consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us keep delivering quality content that empowers you to make informed decisions about your health. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you for your continued support. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to bringing you more valuable content. Remember, your health is your wealth. Subscribe to stay informed, and until next time, keep eating your veggies.